Hey everyone, we have a set of AP1 S2000 taillights finished up today. This is our clear corner modification service. The customer sent in his OEM taillights for the service. Now this has kind of been a project for a while. We've had one customer send in his own with the clear pieces that are made by a different manufacturer, and there were some shortcomings to that, so we decided to have our own made. And so this is the first set that we've done with our own clears. So find that these have a little bit better lens clarity than the previous ones we worked on. So we do now stock these, and you can buy this as a DIY kit if you want to attempt this on your own, or we can just install them for you, and so you can purchase the service. So yeah, basically this takes the two red pieces in the AP1 taillights and replaces them with clear. So if you would like that clear reflector type look, then this definitely does look great. And this customer also is getting headlights done that will be getting the JDM style clear corners as well. So you know, if you wanted to send your headlights and taillights in for this service, we can get it all knocked out in one go. So shortly after these tails are posted, we'll have his headlights done as well. So he's gotten the full package with the headlight, basically refurbishment with new lenses as well. That's going to be done. So if you got an AP1 S2000, you want to tackle this job on your own, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. We do sell, again, we sell a DIY kit with all the pieces you need to complete this job on your own, or you can send the tails in to us for service. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.